Hello world, this is Chris Patchett and this is my video demonstration of my CS50 project, Wiki. Wiki is a kind of mock Wikipedia encyclopedia. I'll read the specifications for the project as I walk through them. The entry page, visiting /wiki/title, where title is the title of an encyclopedia entry, should render a page that displays the contents of that encyclopedia entry. The view should get the content of the encyclopedia entry by calling the appropriate util function. If an entry is requested that does not exist, the user should be presented with an error page indicating their requested page was not found. If the entry does exist, the user should be presented with a page that displays the content of the entry. The title of the page should include the name of the entry. All right, the index page should be updated such that index.html, such that instead of merely listing the names of the pages in the encyclopedia, the user can click on an entry and be taken to that page. Search allows the user to type a query into the search box in the sidebar to search for an encyclopedia entry. If the query matches the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user should be redirected to that entry's page. If the query does not match the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user should instead be taken to a search results page that displays a list of all encyclopedia entries that have the query as a substring. For example, if the search query were YTHO, then Python should appear in the search results. Clicking on any of the entry names on the search results page should take the user to that entry's page. For the new page, by clicking Create New Page in the sidebar, it should take the user to a page where they can create a new encyclopedia entry. Users should be able to enter a title for the page, and in a text area should be able to enter the markdown content for that page. Users should be able to click a button and save their new page. And when the page is saved, if an encyclopedia entry already exists with the provided title, the user should be presented with an error message. Otherwise, the encyclopedia entry should be saved to disk, and the user should be taken to the new entries page. It includes an edit page. On each entry page, the user should be able to click a link to be taken to a page where the user can edit that entry's markdown content in a text area. The text area should be pre-populated with the existing markdown content of the page, i.e. it should be the initial value of the text area. The user should be able to click a button to save the changes made to the entry. And once the entry is saved, the user should be redirected back to that entry's page. It has a random page. Clicking the random page in the sidebar should take the user to a random encyclopedia entry. And lastly, there will be Markdown to HTML conversion, which I've already seen, but on each entry's page, any Markdown content in the entry file should be converted to HTML before being displayed to the user. And it suggests that I may use Python Markdown 2 package to perform this operation, and that is exactly what I did. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. This has been Wiki.